Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at an anagram program, and I'll be explaining further what an anagram is later. So here we go. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at an anagram program. So here, I just use this one from like Harry Potter if you've watched or read it, that like Tom Marvel a riddle, and then that basically is an anagram to I am Lord Voldemort. And we're going to be using this as an example. So an anagram is basically like this program, what it's supposed to do is that it's supposed to see if the number of characters, like T, O, M, M, like all of these characters, how many times they repeat if you ignore all the spaces and extra characters, how many times the alphabets repeat and which frequency, so like how many T's, how many M's, how many O's, and so on. So here, if I just run it, then we get the result true. With that, we're using a dictionary to solve this. So in this first string A, we have T is occurring one time. Then if we look over here, T is occurring one time. Then O is occurring 3 times. We see the O here, O is occurring 3 times. Then M is occurring twice. So then M is occurring twice, and so on. And then spaces, which we can kind of ignore. And A is occurring once, and so on. So it's basically like it's the same number of characters, but it's just rearranged in a different order. So, and when both of these are like the same, both of these dictionaries are the same, then we can just print true. That is an anagram. Otherwise, it's not. So if I, for example, take away a character from here, then it says false, because then the number of O's doesn't match anymore. So here we have 2 O's while there was supposed to be 3. So the first thing I'm doing is converting all of them to lowercase. Otherwise, PyCharm will end up thinking that this I is different from this I, which is not true. So if we have them all in lowercase, then it becomes a lot easier. And same for B. Then defining 2 dictionaries, 1 and 2. After that, for I and A, so we're basically running I through this string A. If I is in dictionary 1, so right now dictionary 1 is empty. So basically an empty dictionary is equal to empty dictionary plus 1. So like here I is T, or lowercase t. So then this one, dictionary 1, will basically have T, like T will be formed as a key, and then the value will be 1. And otherwise it'll be that T is occurred first time. So because I is not already here in the first round, then it's going to go straight to the else, and there T is going to get set with 1. That T has occurred 1 time now. And then, yeah, here I'm just printing it. And after that, it's going to run again. This time we get O. Then, because O has also not come in this dictionary already, this dictionary consists of only T1, then it's going to go here and set O to 1. And so on. It's going to run. So by the end of it, we get, for example, O is equal to 3. Because the second time O comes, basically when it's over here in this round, then because I is already in the dictionary 1 time, the value is going to increase from 1 to 2. So this is going to become O is 2, has occurred 2 times. And then that's the first dictionary that I'm printing. After that, same for B. It's exactly the same thing, that I has occurred like 1 time, again in lowercase. So then if I is in dictionary 2, then just add 1. If it's not in dictionary, then just set it to 1. And then the next time it will occur, then it's already in the dictionary, so you can just add on 1. And then printing the dictionary. So that's basically how we're getting these 2 dictionaries. That first time, T is getting set to 1. And because there is only 1 T, so here this T is coming here and it's getting set to 1. Then, as I said, O. Next time we get O. O is first getting set to 1. After that, when it occurs again, it's going to get set to 2. And when it occurs the third time, it's going to get set to 3. And same thing with M, A, and so on. So that way you can just use the dictionary and then just compare how many times it's occurred. And if it's the same, then basically you know it's an anagram, because the characters are all the same.